Hi, this is Michelle Roebuck from Powered Up Success. Just wanted to make a real quick video on a blog post that I did just now called Multiple Streams of Income is a Strategy. Multiple streams of income is a strategy, especially when it comes to online business, making money online. If you're an affiliate marketing business or a network marketing business, this strategy will help you out a lot. Now, the reason I talk about multiple streams of income is because some companies, if they're network marketing companies or affiliate marketing companies, some of them don't last. Some of them don't last very long. You know, you might be in a company and you're promoting it and you start making commissions with it, and then one day, poof, they're gone. Okay. Now, earlier this year, I was in a company that was an affiliate marketing company that sold these big ticket affiliate products where you could receive thousands of dollars in commissions from them, and that company got shut down by the FTC just a few months ago. Okay, a lot of people lost a lot of money. They lost their initial investment, they lost whatever commissions that they were supposed to get, and there were some pretty good reasons why the FTC shut down that company. The so-called coaches in the company, in the program, were using high-pressure sales tactics to get people to go all in, which is to pretty much rank up at the highest level so they could receive the highest commissions. And in this particular company I was in, the highest level was, and going all in was cost up to $50,000. And the high-pressure sales tactics that were being used were encouraging people to take out loans, borrow money from friends and family, apply for a whole bunch of credit cards, and then use those limits to pay for the program to go all in, and also to take money out of their retirement accounts, out of their IRA or 401k, which is ridiculous. And there were a lot of people who did that. And, and these are just average people who didn't have any experience making money online. They didn't know how to do internet marketing at all. And, they spend all this money and then they're struggling to make sales so they can get commissions. And then the FTC shuts them down. I mean, there were some people who went all in, paid the $50,000 just a few days before the FTC shut them down. I really feel bad for those people. And I was in this company, but I didn't pay that kind of money because I didn't have it. So I went to like the first level, which was $2,000, and I didn't really promote it that much. The main reason I didn't promote it that much was because I didn't like the high pressure sales tactics. And I liked the informational products that they were selling, but the cost, I mean, $50,000 to go all in was just ridiculous. But besides all of that, the people who went all in ended up going broke when the company got shut down. They were deep in debt, and I wouldn't be surprised if some of them, if not a lot of them, ended up filing for bankruptcy because of it. The only people who really survived and thrived and continued to make a lot of money were the gurus who were in the company. The gurus who signed up, and they had these large email lists of people, and they got some of those people to sign up under them. They were the ones who made a lot of money, and they were also the ones who were able to survive the shutdown. How did they survive? Multiple streams of income. Some of them were into real estate investing, so they were receiving monthly residual income from their rental properties. And a lot of them were in other business opportunities. Okay, so they weren't just in one business opportunity, they were in 2, 3, 4 business opportunities. So even though one opportunity went down, they still had 3 or 4 others that were bringing in money for them. So they didn't lose a beat. They didn't lose a step, okay? And that's the secret to these gurus, these online marketing gurus, how they're able to sustain a loss of income in one stream because they have these other streams of income coming in. And that's why I call multiple streams of income a strategy. You want to have multiple streams of income in case one of your income streams goes down, where you're not making money from it anymore. Okay? Now, if you're just beginning, if you're just a newbie, you may be wondering, well, I'm just starting out in this particular business opportunity, or I'm thinking about joining a business opportunity, so I'm just a newbie. How am I gonna start off with multiple streams of income if I haven't made any money yet in one stream of income? Well, I have an offer. It's called FunnelX ROI. FunnelX ROI has 5 streams of income inside the system. So if you join me in FunnelX ROI, there's these 5 income streams inside, 5 different companies. They all complement each other, and none of these companies are competing with each other, so you don't have to worry about that. When you sign up and you activate your FunnelX system and you configure your funnel by signing up with these 5 companies, getting yourself positioned in them to so you can start receiving commissions from them, all you'll have to do is promote one affiliate link. And there's like 11 links you can choose from. Promote one affiliate link for FunnelX ROI, and people who activate their FunnelX under you and get themselves signed up with these companies, these 5 companies, and they pay to get themselves positioned in those companies, you'll receive commissions from them. First company, you will receive 100% instant commissions paid directly to you. Second income stream, you will receive monthly residual commissions when someone signs up with this company. Third income stream is a one-time payment. You'll receive a 50% commission. Fourth income stream is a pay-per-lead system. You get paid when anyone activates their pay-per-lead system. It's called FunnelX Advanced. And anyone who creates an account in there, and there's several other steps that they need to take, you'll receive $1 per lead. And then there's some upgrades in there too if you want to take advantage of that. But this one, you can just create a free account, and when someone signs up and creates their own free account and follows those steps, you'll receive $1 per lead. The next one, the 5th income stream, you'll receive 40% commissions. And these are paid out weekly. So 40% weekly commissions. Okay? So not only do you have an instant commission program, you also have 2 programs where you can receive residual commissions. And then you have the one-time payment programs. There's 2 of those where you receive commissions also. Now, so basically, you have this FunnelX ROI system where it already has multiple streams of income. All you have to do is sign up for it. The very first link below this video in the description area, all you have to do is click on that link, put in your email address, and then you'll find out more information about FunnelX ROI, how it works, and the creator of his name is David Deacle, and he has everything is step by step through this whole thing. I mean, every question that you might have about this system is answered within the system. He has videos on each one of these, and they're very step by step, and he goes slowly too, and he'll go over it several times just to make sure that you understand what to do next. And there's a section here on whether you need help Unsure what to do next, click here. And if you still have trouble setting up your funnel, they have a done with you over the phone funnel setup service. Okay, well, they will be on the phone with you and they will go through the steps with you to set up your funnel. The links tab, this is the links where you get your link to promote FunnelX ROI. And then there's your bonuses right here and settings. Okay, so once you activate your FunnelX ROI system, this is the page you will land on. And you see here where it says start here, you just watch this 10.5-minute video. And then there's a video underneath here, which is almost 18 minutes long, where David Deacle goes over a 509% ROI case study. He basically says this is what's possible with the system you're on right now. And they also have a Facebook group with people on there sharing their results with the system. So if you're interested in this and you want to develop those multiple streams of income and you don't have a business opportunity you're in at the moment, then go ahead and click the link below this video. It's the very first link. When you click on it, it'll take you to a page where you can enter your email address. Just enter your email address and you'll be taken to another page where David Deacle has a video on there, and he will explain everything you need to know about FunnelX ROI, and you can activate your system and get started today. Okay, for more information about FunnelX ROI and the different income streams inside it, just click the subscribe button below this video. And because I'm going to be making some more videos about this and talking more about how to make money online and some of the pitfalls that people fall into when it comes to making money online, especially as a newbie. But go ahead and click the subscribe button and click the bell next to it if you want to receive updates as to when I make a new video. Again, this is Michelle Roebuck. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you soon.